Leigh-Ann Belinda, and today we'll learn about 3 exciting types of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Let's start with land transport. Do you know what is land transport? Land transport is how we move on the ground, on roads, tracks, and paths. It's when we ride cars, buses, bicycles, or trains to get where we need to go. Easy, right? Car, a small vehicle that takes people to places like home, school, or the park. Bus, a big vehicle that carries lots of people together on the road. Truck, a strong vehicle that moves big things like boxes or furniture. Bicycle, a 2-wheeled ride you pedal with your feet to go around. Ambulance, a special car with a siren that helps take sick people to the hospital. Police car, a fast car used by police to help keep everyone safe. Van, a big car that carries people or things, like toys or groceries. Taxi, a car that takes people where they want to go for a fare. Scooter, a fun ride with 2 wheels you stand or sit on to zoom around. Train, a long vehicle that rides on tracks to take people or goods far away. Motorcycle, a 2-wheeled vehicle that you ride by sitting and controlling with handlebars. Water transport. Now, do you know what is water transport? Water transport is how we travel on rivers, seas, and oceans and move from one city or country to another. Here are some water vehicles. Boat, a small water vehicle for short trips, like fishing or fun rides. Submarine, a special water vehicle that goes under the sea to explore. Ship, a big water vehicle that carries people or goods across the sea. Air transport. Do you know what is air transport? Air transport is how we travel up in the sky. Look at these cool air vehicles. Helicopter, a flying vehicle with spinning blades for short trips or rescues. Airplane, a fast vehicle that flies in the sky and takes people far away. Hot air balloon, a colorful balloon that floats gently in the sky. Aircraft, a vehicle that flies in the sky, like airplanes or helicopters. Thanks for exploring with me today, friends. See you next time for more adventures.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.